In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish content in Databox. Databox is an incredibly powerful tool that simplifies the way you track and analyze data by presenting it in a visually appealing format. Sharing these insights with others can greatly enhance collaboration and transparency within your team or organization. So, let's dive right into it and explore how you can generate a shareable link for your data boards. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your data boards within your Databox account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, you'll find a section dedicated to data boards. This is where all of your meticulously designed data visualizations live. Select the data board that you are ready to share with others. This could be a summary of monthly metrics, key performance indicators, or any other data set that you've put together. Once you've selected your desired data board, look for the Share button. You should see this option conveniently placed, usually in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. Clicking on Share will open up a menu of sharing options. You'll be presented with various choices, but for this particular task, you'll want to select Shareable Link. This method is highly beneficial because it doesn't require the recipient to have a Databox account, making it incredibly easy to distribute information broadly. After choosing Shareable Link, a link will be generated for you. It's really that simple. This link serves as a direct gateway to the data board you've prepared, and anyone with the link can view the data as intended. Before you rush off to share it, a quick tip. Test the link yourself first. Copy it into your browser's address bar to ensure it's working properly and that the data displays as you expect. This step, though it might seem trivial, can save you from potential mishaps or confusion down the line. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, you can go ahead and copy this link to share it with your intended recipients. You could send it via email, messaging apps, or even incorporate it into a presentation. The flexibility is yours, and you can rest easy knowing that the recipients, whether they're your team members, stakeholders, or partners, will have access to a trove of valuable insights without the hassle of account setups or additional login details. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to publish and share content from Databox that can enhance communication and decision-making across the board. Remember, clarity in sharing data can lead to higher engagement and understanding, making your time spent in Databox not just an exercise in data management, but a cornerstone of your collaborative efforts. Thank you for joining me today, and happy sharing.